Did you know that in highly developed Western countries, up to 90% of all forests are gone because of urbanization? Tyler, do you want to fight?
If you are on the Robbie and Tyler website, then... What? Oh my god.
I'm not gonna like doing that. Dude, just go in for 3 Tyler, I can do it. Like, go in for 1 second.
Hurry up, start talking, start talking.
Yeah. Are on top of the mall parking garage. And there's nobody else here, and I'm scared we're gonna get mugged.
Is there anything else that I need to draw?
We gotta focus.
No.
Seriously, yeah we are.
Who cares?
Nice. Oh, it's recorded. Turn it off.
Wait. You said you would!
And about 80% of the world's forests have been cleared out of, like, the earth.
Don't break the fence again!
Oh, where the heck you go?
Funny. No.
Oh me, I didn't even do it.
Yeah, you did. And 17% of the earth used to be covered by rainforest, but now only 6% is.
Just pretend you have a gun.
This isn't supposed to be creepy, this is supposed to be funny. What are you writing down?
Everything you're saying.
Oh, okay.
I swear to God, if we get mugged, Cass, I'm gonna be pretty pissed.
It's so soft and comfortable, and I can read a book at the same time.
Tell me about it.
Oh shit, that's on camera. I'm taking that child services. What's that?
My watch. If you my watch broke. That was a good one.
It keeps your tush warm.
It comes with a built-in touch warmer. Say it right now.
So here's...
Okay, let's go fall over again.
Happy? Tyler, you're stupid. Come on. Are you sure? Is that enough?
It should be. Yeah, it should be enough.
Do anything.
I think we have to shake it up more.
Maybe we need to go buy more Jesus soda. Be careful.
This is so stupid.
Yep, we're still here.
Won't be for long.
You can make a difference. Please visit our website to see what you can do to help save the rainforest.